In this video, we'll show you how you can set up Google Authenticator for your Gmail or Google account. So to do this, open the Google account in a web browser and then click on your profile icon at the top. Now select Manage your Google account. In this menu, you need to select Security and Sign In. Here you will need to scroll down and then click on this two-step verification option. Now you will need to enter your password one more time to verify your identity. Once you enable the two-step verification, you will need to select this Authenticator option. Now here click on Setup Authenticator. So this will bring up a QR code. Now what you need to do is head to your Android or iPhone and then download the Google Authenticator app if you haven't already. Now simply open the app and then tap the plus icon at the bottom. Now select Scan a QR code. Now you simply need to scan the QR code and your account will be added. Come back to your browser and then click on Next. Now you simply need to enter the code that appears in the Google Authenticator app. Finally click on Verify to confirm. Once you have done this, the Google Authenticator is now set up for your Gmail account. Now anytime you sign in to this Google or Gmail account, you will be asked to enter the Authenticator code for the first time. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.